Good morning, student. In our previous lecture, we have seen what is the data and signal, what is analog signal and what is digital signal, and similarly, what is digital data and what is analog data. Now, and we have also studied about the transmission of data from one device to one device using OSI layer model and using TCP/IP model. Now, here in this lecture, we are going to see modulation technique. Now, what is modulation and what are the modulation techniques? Now, see, modulation is a process of changing the characteristics of the carrier wave by superimposing the message signal on a high frequency signal. So, I think you have studied about superimposing of the wave in your physics. In your physics, you have studied about superimposing wave. So, what is the modulation? Modulation is the process of changing the characteristics of the carrier wave. When we are going to talking about changing the characteristics of the wave, तो हम कौन कौन से ऐसे characteristics हैं that can be changed? वेव में क्या क्या चेंज कर सकते हैं, वेव का या किसी भी सिग्नल का कौन कौन से कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स चेंज कर सकते हैं? आइदर इट विल बी एम्पलीट्यूड, या तो हम एम्पलीट्यूड चेंज कर सकते हैं, आइदर इट विल बी फ्रीक्वेंसी, या हम फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करेंगे, आइदर इट विल बी फेज, या तो हम फेज चेंज करेंगे. तो नाउ दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ मॉड्यूलेशन. दैट मीन्स modulation is the process of changing the characteristics of the carrier wave by superimposing the message signal. Suppose that this is your carrier wave, this is your carrier signal, and this is your message signal. Now we are going to send this message signal. Now we have to send this message signal with the help of this carrier signal. That means now we are going to superimpose these two waves, two signal wave. Now when we are going to superimpose these two waves, then we have to change, either we have to change the frequency of the carrier wave, either we have to change amplitude of the carrier wave, either we have to change phase of the carrier wave. Because in superposition, if we are going to superimpose the two wave, then we have to change the characteristics of the carrier wave to take the message signal and send the message signal at the receiver end. Suppose that if you are going to understand by the live example, suppose that you people are going anywhere with the two people on one bike. दो लोग एक बाइक से जा रहे हैं, तीसरा कोई आपसे लिफ्ट मांग दे रहा है. दैट मीन्स तीसरे को बैठाने के लिए, आपको लिफ्ट देने के लिए, यू हैव टू adjust some space on your bike, you have to reduce our speed or something like this. You can understand taking with this example. So similarly here, the carrier wave and message signal are both are superimposing. Then when we are going to superimpose two wave, then we have to change either amplitude, either frequency, either phase. So I hope the process of modulation is clear to you. Now see the figure. Now take the example. See here, this is your message signal and this is your modulator. That means this is your carrier signal. Here is the modulated output. This is called the process of modulation. We have to send message signal with the help of carrier signal. Here is the modulator used to superimpose two wave. So I hope you will get the clear concept of modulation. What is the modulation? This is clear to you. Now what are the techniques of modulation? See, first one is amplitude modulation. In this technique, now see here, it is clear from the name amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation, that means कि we are going to change in amplitude. नाम से ही क्लियर है कि एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन है. दैट मीन्स हम एम्पलीट्यूड को मॉड्यूलेट कर रहे हैं. तो इन दिस टेक्निक द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ कैरियर सिग्नल इज वेरीड. द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ कैरियर सिग्नल is varied in the variation in the intensity of the modulating signal, and other characteristics, frequency or phase remains unchanged. Now here, if we are talking about amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the signal can change. We are going to change the amplitude of the signal, but note here, frequency and phase, no change, no change. फ्रीक्वेंसी और फेज में हमारा कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. सो आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन. नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिगर. हियर सी दैट दिस इज योर modulating signal, this is your carrier signal, and this is your modulated signal. That means this is your first one is your message signal, modulating signal, that signal which is going to be modulate. That means message signal, first one is message signal, second one is your carrier signal, third one is the resultant signal. Resultant, that means after the output, after the modulated are going to after the superimposition. सुपर के बाद जो हमारा आया रिजल्टेंट सिग्नल वो ये है. तो यू कैन से दैट हियर दिस इज द एम्पलीट्यूड, दिस इज कॉल्ड एम्पलीट्यूड. आई होप यू हैव स्टडीड इन द फिजिक्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड एम्पलीट्यूड. नाउ एम्पलीट्यूड इज चेंज्ड. सी हियर द एम्पलीट्यूड, दिस एम्पलीट्यूड. यहाँ आप मैसेज सिग्नल का एम्पलीट्यूड देखिए, कैरियर सिग्नल का एम्पलीट्यूड देखिए, और रिजल्टेंट का देखिए. यहाँ पे क्या है, हमारा एम्पलीट्यूड चेंज हुआ है. और फ्रीक्वेंसी और फेज देख सकते हैं. अगर आप फ्रीक्वेंसी और फेज क्या है, यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट है. फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ ऑस्किलेशन पर यूनिट टाइम. तो आप नंबर ऑफ ऑस्किलेशन देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि ये जो ऐसे ऐसे आपका ये जो ऑस्किलेशन चेंज हो रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये एक सेकेंड में कितनी बार फेज को चेंज कर रहा है. और यहाँ पे आप ये देख सकते हैं कि फ्रीक्वेंसी जो हमारा क्या है, रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. हियर फ्रीक्वेंसी इज नॉट गोइंग टू change and phase is also constant. So this technique is called amplitude modulation. So next technique is a frequency modulation. Second one is, in this technique the frequency of carrier signal is varied as per the change in the amplitude of the modulating signal, and amplitude and phase are unchanged. Here same. Now in this technique, frequency technique, we are going to change in the frequency विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द एम्पलीट्यूड. एम्पलीट्यूड चेंज हो रहा है तो हम फ्रीक्वेंसी को चेंज कर रहे हैं, एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं, और एम्पलीट्यूड एंड फेज विल बी रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. सो आई थिंक देयर इज नो डाउट. नाउ लेट्स सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. सो दिस इज द फिगर. हियर इज द मैसेज सिग्नल, मॉड्यूलेटिंग सिग्नल, दिस इज योर कैरियर सिग्नल, एंड दिस इज योर रिजल्टेंट सिग्नल. नाउ हियर यू कैन से दैट दिस इज द amplitude. Here you can say that frequency, that means here this is the frequency. See, this is the frequency. Here the resultant signal is more dense, मतलब ये और पास. that means कि number of oscillation is increased per unit time. You can watch with the figure. यहाँ पे क्या आपका है, पहले ऐसे था, मतलब सपोज दैट एक टाइम पे 2 ऑस्किलेशन थे, बट इन रिजल्टेंट here 1 second 4 ऑस्किलेशन फॉर एग्जाम्पल. तो दिस इज द चेंज इन द फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये हमारा चेंज इन फ्रीक्वेंसी है. यू कैन सी इन द फिगर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड चेंज इन फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड दिस टेक्निक इज कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेशन. नाउ इन योर सिलेबस देयर आर 2 मॉड्यूलेशन टेक्निक आर गिवन. फर्स्ट वन इज एम्पलीट्यूड एंड सेकेंड one is frequency. This is not mentioned in the phase amplitude, phase modulation. Then similarly you can have idea about phase modulation. When we are going to change in the phase, then frequency and amplitude will be constant or unchanged. So this is your all about modulation technique. So if you have any doubt in this, you can ask in the class. So now this is all about your modulation technique. Now in next topic, in your next lecture, we are going to study about collision in the network. Collision in network, and I hope you will be go for this topic, collision in network. If we are going to some brief about collision in network, then this is the, if we are going to send any data packet, suppose that this is your sender, this is your receiver, and this is your data packets. Suppose that this is a data packet going to send to the receiver. So if we are going to send the data on the network, then there may be some noise on your channel. This is the called collision. Why there is noise? It may possible some data packets सेंडेड अर्लियर, जो पहले से भेजे गए हों वही आपके ट्रैफिक में फंसे हुए हों, वो अभी तक डिलीवर ही नहीं हुए हैं। तो जब ये डेटा पैकेट डिलीवर ही नहीं हुआ है तो ये डेटा पैकेट ट्रैफिक में फंस जाएगा। हो सकता है कहीं फ्रीक्वेंसी में चेंज हो गई सिग्नल के, या तो दीज आर द फैक्टर्स विच लीड टू द नॉइज ऑन द चैनल और नॉइज इन द नेटवर्क. So this is called collision of the network. Then we are going to study about it in your next class. So thank you for watching. I think it will be clear to you. So thank you again.